The band shirt guy, back again, and welcome back you the viewer. Righto, been a good day for snakes. Had a brown snake in there earlier, pop its head out, have a look at me. Righto, got a brown snake in camp. Now this snake was only 8 feet away. I heard it before I seen it. This smart serpent, he stuck his head up, he stuck his tongue out, tasted the air, had a look, smell, sized me up and decided, nah, humans, I'm out, see ya. This is similar to the one I saw. It was all quick, very nice brown snake that was. And now I've got a beautiful carpet python huddled up down there. Just look, it's had a big feed. Doesn't want to move very much. I'm tired. You're resting, you've been eating. You can rest here as long as you want, brother. It was gone in the morning. Snakes are beautiful creatures. They're not out to hurt anyone. Give them space. Respect snakes. Respect nature. Thanks for viewing.